Back from COVID, it is good to be sitting at a desk again. Oh my word. It is time to do some more trading reviews from some of our students as you guys have continued on. You guys rock. Let's get into it right now. Alrighty then, so tonight we've got a really awesome, short, but noteworthy, Three Lions has posted a great video review here, and I'm going to do an assessment for him, and you guys are along for the ride. Let's go. Alright, I like the hype. First thing he said here is we've got start with the tide and the wave. So looks like in his configuration here, he's got a vertical monitor chart here with the tide and the wave on them, and he's starting out here. I'm not sure, I don't think he said what he saw on these yet, but let's play through. He's got the right idea, starting with the tide and the wave, high time frame. Alright, then filter through the MACV. So secondary filtering is looking at the MACV. I'm looking at his MACV right now, and he's got red, 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 red. So all four are showing reds on the MACV. Let's take a see how he does on his first trades here. Okay. So this trade one, headshot, closed for a small loss. Okay, well, if his MACVs were all red and he's going to take a headshot here and he takes a small loss, let's see if he went against MACV or not. Let's see. Okay, there's the headshot. So it looks like a green headshot. Yep, no surprise there, right? We saw the MACV was going to be red. Took a green headshot. Again, it's not bad to take, you know, so you got a shot right here. That's fine. He's also got shorts favor right there in the middle. Yeah, it's a tough one. But okay, so let's play it through. I definitely dig the music. Okay, so it looks like he might have hit target one there, and then the second one stopped out there, but small loss, so scratch trade there. Not too bad for him. Trade two, got another headshot. He says targets filled on this one. Let's see how that one plays out. Yes, okay, so now he's got a red headshot here. If MACVs are all still red at this point, this is going to be a good play here. He went in 4 contracts on this one. Prior one was 2, so he's increased his size. That's good news. Excellent work. Targets filled. Trade 3, he's got a headshot and a cipher. Targets filled. All right, headshot and a cipher. Let's see. Okay, now a couple of notes there. Notice his a little bit of fidgeting, right? He's got his mouse is here, and around this area, his mouse is here, and a little bit of area. What do I tell you guys? If you really want to have your, you know, you want to be in the kill zone right here, keep your mouse floating and hovering over the buttons here or here in this zone. This is going to help you out. Just a little minor note there. But let's see how this one plays out here. Okay, so he goes up to his buy button. Real quick there. So he had said headshot with the cipher. So that's this one right here. Headshot powered up by the cipher. Nice play. Happened very, very quickly there. Didn't look like we got too much out of that one. But who knows? Maybe if he had the mouse over the keys a little bit quicker, who knows? But not a bad play. Nice play right here. If can't see what the MACV is here, if MACV is shifted, but nice play. Oh, and she keeps going and going and going. Yeah, so left some meat on the table with that one. Good power up. That's a nice headshot there. Looks like he's definitely a headshot player. Powered up by the cipher. Could have gotten some extra juice out of that one. Tried to hold out maybe a final runner on a green. I'm sorry, and a red. So fired up, let it roll until he hits maybe a red. Looks like we might have one up here, but he's got 2 options here to hold out on a runner if that played through there. Let's carry on. All right, trade 4, he says diamond dots, targets filled. It's a favorite. All right, diamond dots. There it is. I see the diamond. We see the dot right there. And what do we do on a diamond dot? We go in the color direction of the dot, not the color of the diamond. Well done. He's got a short here. Let's see how it plays out. Boom. T1, T2. Now in his trade sequence there, I'm not sure why he went a little bit. He was a little bit light on that one in his current trade sequence there. If he's on trades, I think we're around trade 4 or 5 in the sequence here. So it could be a little bit heavier on that one. But nice play there for T1, T2. Living on T1, T2. Excellent work. All right, here comes trade 5. So in a series of 5 here, alpha king timing with delta and a harmonic, and bright green dot on the 5s. Okay, so it sounds like I got a lot going on here. Alpha king with the delta, bright green dot on the 5s, close for a small loss. Okay, great stuff. Let's see. Let's see how it plays out. All right, so he's getting in long right there, and alpha king timing. I see the king timing. It's pretty far behind for the king timing there on it. As far as the entry, tough one there. Tough one there for me. I kind of keep seeing this one right over here. I see a double cross opportunity right here. We had one prior, we got one right here. I would be probably measuring here to here and projecting out my double cross double move right here for this one, and then potentially if I did want to get short after that, I'd be looking for that gold line reversal off of ES. Again, ES is not one I want to trade directly very often. However, look at the speed of this. You can see right now his current BPM on NASDAQ is 162. Here, I think it's back behind. You can't see it underneath my logos down here, but it is at 40.3 on ES. What is our magic number there? 45 to 75 ES, slightly slower, pretty good. So he's going to have some good speed over here. I'll be looking at that one instead. But he says he ends up taking a small loss here. Let's see how that played out there. Kind of ripped down, but he closed out. I like that he reached over and pressed the close button. He didn't let that just come in and go and hit on his stop there. Well played on it. I could see again some of that little fidgeting around with the keyboard and mouse. Keep your mouse over there over those buttons. Gonna help you out a bit. All right, let's see the next one here. Okay, trade 6, HMD on king timing. Excellent. Got his buttons almost in the right place, so I'm always a little bit nervous there. Keep that. My key here is hover your mouse over the buttons that you think are going to be ready to fire off. Just less fidgeting, maybe slow down the speed of your mouse there too, but just a couple of things there. Hopefully that will help you out. Adjusting your chart. Always fingers over the chart instead of the buttons. Notice that again. We've talked about this in other videos. A lot of floating around, a lot of trying to move your chart around and things. Couple of adjustments. Make sure that you get the latest version. 9.1.4.5 gives you some additional margin out of the gate. It looks like you kind of customized the way that you laid things out here, so be careful with that. If you're going to customize, make sure that you customize with all of the features that we've updated, including that extra space at the top for margins, because it looks like you're feeling the necessity to move your charts around a bit more than you need to. So just a note there, 3 lines. All right. Okay, there's his king timing. I see he's got the double king timing, and he said HMD. Yeesh. Kind of. So there was a dot right there, green dot, and I think he was saying because of the PRZs. So I'll give that to it. Powered up dot here, trying to take a long right there into the shark nest there with the diamonds. Lots of stuff going on right there. It's got the timing, not bad. Again, toe in the water here, didn't go too big, not too bad. Let's take a peek. Okay, gets target 1, target 2, not too bad. J hook. All right, so we got a J hook, and we're moving into, so again, he's in the middle 40 days. So right now he should be taking a lot of trades. He's not just focused in, he's not the final 40 days where we're doing only 5 or 6 trades per session and focus there. He should be swinging a lot more, so that's good. And in the middle 40 days, he's doing a great job there. And now he says he's got a J hook on this play. So let's watch that one lay out here. All right, so you see the J hook. It is a J hook short. He is entered in. He's added in multiple times on this opportunity. That's good. Looks like he's going to have a break of the green dot right there. The favorable direction looks like we're short here. Can't tell from the high time frame. We'd have to see on MACV. But looks like from a 4, possibly that double cross, double move that we're talking about from a 4 would have played out there to there, there to there. Very nice. There's the gold line reversal, pop off of that ES from before. So just a note there on that double cross, double move. Oh, you guys can't see that because I'm in the way. Let me pull myself out of the way. There was that one that we talked about from a 4, right there to there. There, that's going to give you right there. So you get your double cross, double move target, and then the reversal off of the gold line. Would have been a nice play there as well. Okay, but J hook here. He's got the J hook going. I like it. And he's in 2 more. He's got the red headshot coming along with it. Nice little spot here. Could have added to that position on the red headshot. Looks like he's moving his stops. So be careful of that when you are in the middle of a move. Let's see where the stop's moving. I think he's pushing the stop out back behind where it should be physically. Always try to remember, you guys, to keep your, don't play around with your stops a lot. Leave the stops there. Most of your stuff is going to be over here on the buttons. Close out the positions a little bit better, but let's see how this plays out. Adds to position. Excellent work. Okay, he's having to move the chart around a lot. So again, this is one of those where I'd like you to adjust your charts. Give yourself whatever margin you need on the top. It looks like you're still squeezed in on the old margin. That looks like a 10% margin at the top. With a 30 at the bottom, you really need to have 25-25 or 30-30 so that you're not having to move all that around all the time. So that's going to help you out. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out one of the most recent videos where we were discussing that, and or get the latest version and use the chart templates that are in there. So adding the position, he's hitting some as he goes through. We've got T1, T2, and T3 down below. T1 is already just hit right here, looking good. He's zoomed in here now to give us a better view of the J hook itself. Looking nice. Let's go. Boom, straight down to 2. Front running target 3 by maybe a tick or 2. Perfect. Well executed. Held it all the way down there. Boom. Ends up going all the way through T1, T2, and T3 on the J hook. Coming away with 2170. Not too bad. Very nice. Very nice. Excellent work, sir. Congrats. Well done. Remember, you do not have to be perfect to be profitable. Once again, proving that again. Hopefully you guys got some tips from that. 3 lines, giving you a big thumbs up there on that one. Well done, and I will catch you guys in the next one.